Hello, my name is Jared Benet, and I'm here to show you how to make a classic summer favorite, mint julep, but with Sequoia Sake's Bourbon Barrel-Aged sake. First, 3 ounces of sake. Quarter ounce simple syrup. Quarter ounce lime juice. It's okay to spill. A little mess always makes the cleanup a lot more fun. 5 mint leaves. Just a little bit of ice to cover. Mint julep, so of course crushed ice is imperative for this one. Nice 5-second shake. Top with a little fresh ice. Garnish with mint.